Hi guys, welcome to Off the 10th Beer Reviews. My name is Chris and today we're going to do a beer from Counterpart Brewing. I know, you guys are probably getting sick of me talking about Counterpart Brewing. They're right behind me. They're the best brewery in Niagara Falls. I live in the Falls. They're right fucking over there, so of course I'm going to go over there and get their beers. I wish they weren't as pricey as they are, but you know what? Sometimes you pay for what you get, and when you're getting good beer, some would argue that maybe you should, pay for it. Okay, fine, I will. Today, you know what I just did? I cracked it, and I'm gonna hard pour it now because why not? Let's talk about this beer while I'm letting it settle. And oh, it's almost spilling over. You guys can't see it on camera. Actually, that's what I'm gonna do from now on. I think I'm going to pour it hard and let it settle and talk about the beer. Today from, again, Counterpart Brewing. This is Slow Motion. This is a double IPA. Right there. That is a double IPA. Like I said, 8.2% alcohol by volume. 473 milliliter can. This is new. This is their latest and greatest double IPA. The last one they did was Double Drip, and it was fucking awesome. You guys from the Beer Tuber get together that came down. You guys probably all tried it and had it, and it was fucking awesome. And nobody will disagree with me on that one. It was fucking fantastic. So let's take a look at this beer. It's calmed down now. Oh, she's a hazy. She's a hazy and crazy. Straight up yellow orange color, nice and bright too. Poured off with about 3 fingers of head after I half hard poured it. Let's take a smell. Oh yeah. Oh my god. This smells fucking good. This is one of those beers you could smell all day, to be honest with you, and not even take a sip. But okay, it has a berry flavor to it, or scent to it anyway. It's giving me a mix between, like, I don't know. Fuck, it's hard to explain this one. It's giving me a mix between strawberry, melon, and cantaloupe, if that makes any sense. It really is. And a little bit of a peach smell to it too. I don't know what hops are using on this one. My fucking palate could be way off, but this smells fucking divine. This smells like a crusher that I just want to drink right now because it looks so good. Let's do this. Cheers. They're knocking it out the park again. Wow, this is good. This is packed with oats. This body on this beer is straight up high end and medium. Like, this is 8.2% goodness. It's not full body, but it's approaching full body, and it's exactly what I want and I hope and expect when I hit an 8.2% double IPA. Mouthfeel on this one is creamy. This is giving me upper echelon, kind of like other half mouthfeel on this beer. That creaminess just sits on your tongue, sits in your throat after you swallowed it. That sounded weird, but it is fucking just fantastic. The body and the mouthfeel on this beer is just worth the $20 I paid for the can. I'm just kidding, it wasn't that much. Probably about $6.50. Let's talk about the dangerousness and the dangerous level of this beer. 8.2% and no alcohol astringency whatsoever. No burning in the chest or warming of the chest or anything like that. This is a straight up dangerous beer for sure. Fuck, that's good. Hint of bitterness at the very end, and a very, very mild dry finish on the very end of this beer. This is my jam. This is the stuff that I enjoy when I go to Counterpart and I do a double IPA from these guys. This is what I like. This is what they produce, and I'm so glad that they live right behind the house, to be honest with you. Well, I'm not going to pour the rest of this because I need to take a photo of it. Okay, we're dragging this on. Let's talk about the taste. See, in the taste, now I'm getting kind of almost like a lychee kind of taste to it. There's that sweet kind of stone fruit in there that's coming through. And yeah, it's a little bit more melon coming through now on the taste. Fuck, the sweetness on this beer is good. It's balanced. It's not overly sweet. It's a very good balanced beer because that little bit of drying finish, bitterness at the very back end of this beer is leveling everything out. This is probably one of the better ones from Counterpart recently. Double Drip was good. Is this one better? Probably. Like, this is really fucking good. Hint of peach is coming through on this one. Yeah, this is just fucking, this is my jam. I could do this all day, every day. And you know what? I'm gonna go back over there and pick up a few more of these. Maybe send a few out. I don't know. I haven't decided, but we'll see. So anyway, my review's done. Slow Motion Double IPA from Counterpart Brewing. This is what I'm looking for. And every time I'm drinking a Counterpart beer, that's a double IPA. They knocked it out the park, boys. So yeah, straight up 9.5 out of 10. This is fucking delicious. I would drink this all day, every day if I could afford it. But anyway, I'm done. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you guys more than you know. Anyway, thanks. Peace out, guys. Talk to you later.